Have you ever thought about growing a refreshing summer fruit that not only cools you down, but also heals your body from the inside out? Let's dive into the wonderful world of honeydew melon. This sweet treat isn't just delicious, it's packed with vitamin C and potassium, which means it's great for your health. Honeydew melon is super hydrating, making it the perfect ingredient for thirst quenching summer drinks. Just picture yourself sipping on fresh honeydew juice while soaking up the sun. Sounds dreamy, right? To get started on your honeydew journey, plant your seeds in warm soil. Make sure they get plenty of sunshine because that's what helps produce those juicy green melons we all love to munch on during hot summer days. In just a few short months, you'll be ready to harvest your melons. Visualize those vibrant green fruits hanging on the vine, ripe and ready for enjoying. So why wait? Join me, Allie, in our gardening adventure. Tap follow and let's start growing our own melon magic together.